Hello. Today we are at the Depot Travel Park in West Cape May, New Jersey. We'll be doing a walk-around video showing some of the amenities and the sights. Upon arrival, you'll check in here at the office. The campground has mostly seasonal sites, but there are a few transient sites. They have full hookup, and they also have sites that have just water and electric. And here we are in the full hookup section.
And here we are coming up to ours, and you'll see in a moment how tight ours was. And I just do not know how my husband actually parked this. I just give him so much credit for that. He had the fence to deal with, and then there was the motor home on the other side, and our truck we actually have to back in here really tight. So again, this is our site and really tight, so definitely make sure if you have a larger vehicle, check with the office to see where you would best fit, because this is probably one of the tightest spots we've ever been in.
Forgot to mention too, the reason it was difficult to back in was because the road was very narrow. Here are a few more full hookup sites that do seem to have a little bit more room in between them.
Here are some of the three-way hookups with water, electric, and cable only. And here we are at the transient area, and this section has just water, electric, and cable. These are actually pretty roomy, pretty nice space. This area here is two-way hookup, which includes just water and electric. They're pretty shaded, pretty nice.
I do want to mention though that the campground is pet friendly, but there is no dog park.
The pavilion. And this is one of the two playgrounds. This is the larger one. And this is the other playground area. This is a little bit smaller, but very, very, very nice, well-maintained. Wood chips down. There is a laundry facility. Let's walk inside and check it out.
This here is the seasonal section. Thank you so much for watching today. If you do visit the campground, please make sure to check out some of the local attractions in Cape May. There's the Cape May Point, beaches, the lighthouse, and the World War II lookout tower, which are very close to the campground.